What? Right, let's cross the track. Cross the track, cross the track. We can only see one train because the 5 to 7 train has been delayed and cancelled, unfortunately. So we've only got to see one. What are you whinging at?
I just want to go back because I don't like going on the track. The train tracks are scary.
Watch the signal go up in a minute.
No.
Oh, there we go. There's the barriers going down. Come here. There we go. Watch that signal go up. Right, where is he? There he is. Gonna wave at him when he goes. Oh no! Oh, that's just literally rose up against my head.
Where does train come from?
Like Shrewsbury, Birmingham International, I think.
Is that called holiday?
Yeah, it's going to Llandudno. Right, wave at the train driver then, but wave when he goes as well. This is Gobowen. You've been here a few times. It's just a bit different to Chirk Station, isn't it?
Yeah. And 2 carriages.
Yeah, it's 2 carriages again. Is he gonna wave? Oh, there we go. There we go. Hey, where are you going? Let's walk up there and see if he opens your window. See if he speaks to you. Yeah? Let's just pause this. There we go, going now. He's going now. He's going now. Waving at all the people as well, are you? There we go. There he is, waving again. There we go. Doo-doo. So that's where the about 5 or 10 years time, that's where the Cambrian Heritage Railway would join up. Then we'll just go back over there again and then we'll go. Let's go into... No, this is Gobowen, it's not going to Gobowen.